Alright, so I thought I'd include you in this. Here I have an 8.5 pound pork shoulder butt. That's what they called it. And it was $1.49 per pound, which we know meat is so expensive anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this up. And it's going to take 10 hours at 300 degrees. So it's this morning at 10:30. So it's not going to be ready until 8:30 this evening. Alright, so I just put a little salt on it just to get it started. I might put just a little more because that's a lot of meat. And the salt will work its way through. So I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of salt. Just spread on the top there. And it'll work its way through the meat. And that'll help break down that fat too. Alright, so I'm going to cover it like so in my roasting pan. And I'll see you guys in 10 hours. Alright, it's been 6 hours so far. Is that 6? Yeah, 6 hours. So let's see what it looks like. Alright. So it's looking good so far. Alright. 4 more hours. Alright. It's been in there 7 hours and 45 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it looks beautiful. So I'm going to pop up the heat to 425 for about 20 minutes to kind of crisp this fat and stuff up. It looks good though, don't it? It does have that bone right there. Yep. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. It's still going to be about an hour before I can try it. Alright, let me get this back in the oven. Alright. So you can see the juices are bubbly. And the fat is blistered, so it's going to be crunchy. Alright, now I need to let this sit for, I think, about 30 minutes, and it'll be ready to go. Alright, so at long last, I can trim some of this up. It is crunchy, you hear that? Oh my goodness, you hear that noise? That was my dog. He's been waiting all day smelling this. Okay. So it tastes like cracklings. Basically, it's pork skins. Need to get a fork and get that. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh. Got all my dishes put away. I can't reach for anything too far. I just want to take a taste on camera. Let you know how it tastes. So I got a little bite here. Oh my goodness. That's the bomb, y'all. Even with just salt. Like later on, what I'm going to do is saute some onions and stuff. I think I want to make some carnitas using this. Although I know I did it a little backwards. But yeah, you can put a little pepper on there. Or even like an hour or two before it's done, you can add your other seasonings you like. But my goodness, that's so good. Anyway, thank you for watching Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Stick around and watch more videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Take care, everyone.